Hey guys, we are back from a place called Fjärilshuset or the Butterfly House in Stockholm. They have butterfly varieties as you would expect, and reptiles, and they have aquariums, and I'm gonna show you around a little bit. My name is Jennifer and you're watching Fishy Pet Keeping. Stay tuned! So we're on our way to the Butterfly House in Stockholm. The last time I was here, I was a kid. And this was one of my favorite places to go whenever we were in Stockholm. It's not huge, but the way they keep animals here is fantastic. You'll see what I mean. They had tortoises. I think it's so satisfying to watch when they eat. It's like ASMR. It really looked and felt like we were walking in a rainforest with a high humidity, tropical plants, etc.
En kattfisk.
En kattfisk.
En kattfisk.
En sån ja. Red-tailed catfish.
Aha.
Ja, precis. Ja, kommer närmare. Heja! Och titta, där är kattfisken. Hallå. Damn.
Here are some leopard tortoises, doing their thing, just chilling and eating. Look at how beautiful this turtle is. He was just standing there, not having a care in the world. I wish I was this carefree. They had some really stunning species of poison dart frogs. I don't know the exact name of all of them though. They all had these enclosures with lush tropical plants that made them look so natural. It was actually quite inspirational to look at these. Gave me some ideas to terrarium or aquarium ideas.
Alltså ser ut som en muckegräv av mig.
Visst gör de är jättesöta. Ja.
Oh, look at that one!
This is sauna for people.
Jajamän. Oh.
They're axolotls. In the future, I might get one of these. We'll see. It's not called the Butterfly House for nothing. In the tropical rooms, different species of butterflies were able to fly around freely. It really added to the feeling that you were walking in a real tropical rainforest. And now we're in the aquarium section. When you first walk inside, you'll see this huge aquarium that almost covers a whole wall. You could sit here and just watch the fish swim by. They also had smaller aquariums, most of them were saltwater tanks. All of them were mesmerizing to look at.
Den ena var lite orange här. Här står pappa.
Aha.
Så går vi till
I think this mandarin fish was my favorite in this whole aquarium. The pattern, shape and color of this fish is amazing. It's like a living piece of art.
Kan bara vara.
Var? Ja, där!
Har det går bra.
Just look at this. I know I've said it before, but look at this and tell me this doesn't look like you're walking in a rainforest. And so that was pretty much it. It was a beautiful place. I've been here before, but I wanted to show you guys around. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, then don't forget to give it a like. And if you would like to see more like this, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell just so you don't miss a single update that I make. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!